In the mental maths test, the children will be faced with a total of 20 questions. When the test starts, I always encourage the children to write down any numbers that they might hear. I also encourage the children to use informal jottings to support their calculations. In this question, the children are asked to find the middle number. To do this, all we do first of all is we add the two numbers together. And I can jot down the 24 under there. That I know is going to make a total of 60. And so now when I've added the two numbers together, to find the middle number, all I do is just halve that total. Half of 60 is 30. A strategy I can use to add numbers such as these is to round the numbers and then adjust. For example, 99 would round to 100. 199 would round to 200. 299 would round to 300. So if I add those up, that's going to give me 600. And then all I've got to do is take away the additional one I added onto this one, the additional one I added onto that, and the additional one I added onto that. So in total I have to take away 3. That will give me a total of 597. This question is asking me to add 3 consecutive numbers. To do that, I'm going to first of all add the units, looking for number bonds to 10. For example, the 6 and the 4 makes 10, and can you see how I'm crossing out the numbers when I've added them up? Plus the 5 makes 15, so I might jot down that 15. The 20, the 20, the 20 makes 60, and if I then add the 15 and the 60, I get a total of 75. In this question, I know the cost of 4 bananas and I want to find the cost of 1. Essentially what I'm doing therefore is dividing 48 by 4. A quick way to do this when I'm dividing by 4 is to halve 48, which is 24, and then halve it again gives me 12. In other words, to find a quarter or to divide by 4, a halve and then a halve it again. Halving and also doubling are great skills to practice. A final slide here is dealing with conversions. It's really useful to know some of the common conversions. For example, I need to know that 1,000 grams can be converted into 1 kilogram. I also would like, it was really useful to know that 100 centimetres is 1 metre, and that 1,000 millilitres are equivalent to 1 litre. It's then really useful to practice these. So for example, how many grams are equivalent to 0.5 kilograms, or what's 2.5 meters in centimeters, or if I have 1,250 millilitres, how many more millilitres must I add to that to make 2 litres? Really useful things to know: grams, millilitres, centimeters, and all those conversions associated with those names.